Welcome back to another video. Today, there's not really a theme. Today's relaxing sounds video, so let's just get straight to it. Starting off, the wooden A from a couple of videos ago. This one is not brand new, but it's still pretty new. And you guys love this wooden sound. So you guys thought that was awesome. And next up, so we're only gonna have 4 sounds today. Next up, we're gonna have ice. So you remember storytelling, right? Walking through the forest. I don't know why I'm doing this. This just sounds like footsteps, so we were walking through the forest. Okay. Really quickly, let me just think of one. You're walking into a restaurant and you go up to the cashier. Oi, can you get us a table for 1? Yeah, of course. Okay, great. So they lead you to the table. And you sit down. The food's gonna be coming soon. So you sit there for 5 hours. Okay, the food finally comes. Here's your food, sir. Thank you. And then you gobble it up. Jeez. Oh, dude, you're devouring that. Scarfing that down. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Dude, stop. You're as hungry as a pig, dude. He's very hungry. So he finishes eating and gets the check, writes on it, and then walks out. Okay. Next up, we have, I'm gonna go with the second most loved on the channel. I know, this is gonna sound insane once you hear which one it is. This genre remote. I know a bunch of you guys are seeing right now, it should be number 1. Well, I mean, other than storytelling, but you know. So actually, I'd put this one at number 3. This sounds amazing. What color is that? About that one. That one. And let's go for this one. And then that one. Great. Next up, the most loved, stick pulling. Now I'm going to go for much longer than just 2 sticks this time. Pick a number 1 through 17. Did you say 16. She's 16. You see 16? Okay, next up, let's try again. Pick number 1 through 17. I think you can probably tell by my face. Yeah, 17. So you guys told me to just tap the screen with the sticks. So that's kind of what I'm doing. 17. I've only gotten the team so far. So I'd recommend maybe going for something in big ones. Just gonna pick another one, 1 through 17. I'm gonna go for this one. What do you think it is? It is 3. It is 3. The number 3. The letter 3. Letter 3. Letter 3. It's the third letter of the alphabet. Alright, last one. See if you can get it this time. Let's go for, I'm thinking, bam, perfection. Okay. I have a slight feeling that this might be rigged, but I don't think it is. Because you see, we have 17, 16, no, 15, and 14. We've had 6, and 5 of them have been in the teens. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.